Let's learn how to notify our technicians when work orders are overdue. As the manager of our maintenance department, I need to notify our technicians when work orders are overdue. I'm rarely at my desk, so I need this process to be automated. To do this, I need to configure an awesome feature that I found named Work Order Escalation. This feature lives under Management Tools, Email, Work Order Escalation. From here, I need to add a new rule. Since I already have this rule added, I can put it into edit mode for this presentation. The first step is to give this escalation rule a description, overdue work orders. Next, I need to set the filter against this rule. The only filter I need to apply here is against the status of the work orders. So its status equals open, and I apply that filter. Next, I need to set my order of delay. So send notification 1 day after date due and the work order is not completed. You'll see there are options in each one of these drop-down lists for different scenarios. So if it goes 1 day after the due date and the work order is not completed, I need to apply the first recipient. In this scenario, it's going to go to the existing person on the work order. For my second delay, I have it configured to where if it goes 2 days after the due date and is not completed, Todd Boxberger is going to get notified. Third and final order of notification is set to go 3 days after the date due and if the work order is still not completed. If it goes that far, I need Randy Browse to be notified. After I configure my escalation rule, I save the changes to the rule. Under my notification messages, I next need to make sure that work order escalation messages are enabled. 1, 2, 3. So now, when I have work orders that are overdue, messages are flying. For questions about this or any other topic, feel free to email support@mpulsesoftware.com or call 800-944-1796.